I'm going to do a demonstration today of our ice and water machine. Our prices are water 25 cents a gallon, ice $1.25 for 10 pounds. Our machine will accept bills, and coins, and then to get an ice bag you come down to the lower right, grab a bag and give a nice tug, strip it over the chute and press the button for ice. It also takes credit card. It will allow you to do more than one item with the credit card. For our first item, we'll do a bag of ice, and it will tell you to make another selection, and we'll do one more bag of ice. And you can mix and match if you need water also. You can press the button for water, and it will, when you are done, it will keep track of what you did and it will charge you accordingly. When you're done, you will need to press the end transaction button, and then it will tell you how many items vended and the total sale.